Hey, it is Jen Eden here. I am back on my YouTube channel for holiday exhaustion. I call it extreme fatigue. I want you to know it is an absolute real thing. It's real. And so I'd like to share that with you. Should you not be a subscriber? Oh my gosh, I grow every single day because of you. So thank you for sharing me. But if you're new to me and you love my stuff, now or at the end of my video, there's a button to subscribe. I would love it if you did that. Okay, so get this, extreme fatigue. I find that we're tired in general, especially as women running around with kids, if you've got them, successful careers. But there's a couple of factors I want to talk to you about. Number one, we add more stuff to our already over full plate of to-dos during the holidays. We run around. We do not even take breaks on weekends because we need to go shopping. I know who you are, and parties and preparation, and then we're drinking the wine, we're eating the sugar, we're eating the chocolate after Halloween, through Thanksgiving, right, into Christmas and Kwanzaa and Passover and all these things that we do. So we're exhausted from overdoing and adding more to an overfull plate. Number two, we're eating more sugar. If you did not know this, sugar and wine, alcohol, for my beer drinkers, it makes you exhausted. Do you hear that? And so your extreme fatigue comes from, it takes a few days to detoxify off this stuff. You're already tired from running around, and then you're eating sugar and more sugar, which makes you more tired. Yes? And number three, we put a lot of pressure on ourselves for the holidays. How the house looks, making all the parties, having to buy just the right perfect gift. Then we're worried about our weight and how we look and our hair. And I'll go there because we're Italian and the Italians never wear the same dress twice. God bless my mother, that's a real occurrence. Like, Mom, wear the same damn dress, no one cares. No, put all this pressure on ourselves. Pressure, my friends, makes us exhausted. So if you could slow down, stop adding more to your plate, take it off, yes? Watch the amount of sugar and wine and know that it exhausts you and dehydrates you. Drink your water. And number three, take the pressure off yourself for the holidays to look a certain way. You will be so much better off. The truth is, oh my gosh, I'm going to say it. I've never cooked a turkey in my life. A, I'm a really in the closet vegan, vegetarian. And B, I don't like cooking that stuff. And so why do I say that? Because Whole Foods for many years was my Thanksgiving dinners. God bless. They do a really good job. And it's not my thing, and I have so much stress and pressure as it is with 3 kids, 2 daughters and myself who have birthdays in December, right? And the Italian guilt and the Catholic, there's just stuff everywhere that I have reduced the amount of pressure. So if that's you, and you take nothing else from listening to me today, take the pressure off yourself during the holidays, and you will be amazed at how good you feel. Okay, take care of yourself, feel good, hit me up with a question or a comment, and I'll talk to you soon. Thanks for being here.